Hello friends, welcome to my class. So today let us see the remaining part of the Compton effect. Okay, so that is already we have seen up to the addition of equation 4 and equation 5. After that we got equation 6. The equation 6 is m square v square c square is equals to h square mu square plus h square into mu dash square minus 2h square mu dash cos theta. This is, let us equation 6 consider. Okay, now from equation 1 implies, what is the one equation? And this is the equation 1. H mu plus mu naught c square equal to h mu dash plus mc square. Okay, that is h mu plus m naught c square equal to h mu dash plus mc square. So I am writing it as mc square equal to h mu, okay, minus h mu dash plus m naught c square. This is, okay, mc square equal to h is common here, mu into mu dash, mu minus mu dash plus m naught c square. Squaring on both sides, let us consider this is a and this is b. M square c power 4 is equals to h square mu minus mu dash whole square plus, this is a square, b square nothing but mu naught square c power 4, okay, plus this is a square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2a and b. Okay, so that we can write h square mu, so this we can write as mu a minus b whole square. Okay, so that is a square plus b square, okay, that is mu square plus mu dash square minus 2 mu dash plus m naught square c power 4 plus 2h into mu minus mu dash m naught c square. Clear? Now this is m square c power 4. Again I am writing it as just h square, just I am taking into the bracket, h square mu square plus h square mu dash square minus 2h square mu dash plus m naught square c power 4 plus 2h into mu dash into m naught c square. Clear? This is equal to what? m square c power 4. This is, let us consider equation 7. Now let us do it 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. What is 7? This is 7 nothing but m square c power 4 minus 6 nothing but, this is 6, m square v square c square, okay, equal to this one, h square mu square plus h square mu dash square minus 2h square mu dash plus m naught square c power 4 plus 2h into mu dash into m naught c square, and this is 7 minus 6 minus this term. What is h square mu square minus into plus minus h square mu dash square minus into minus plus 2h square mu dash cos theta. Clear? Now h square mu square minus h square mu square gets cancelled. H square mu dash square minus h square mu dash square gets cancelled. Okay, if you take this is m square c square is common, then this is c square minus v square will get here. Okay, that is, you can write it as minus 2h square mu dash plus m square c power 4 plus 2h into mu dash into m naught c square plus 2h square mu dash cos theta. Okay, right. So here what can be written as? It will be like this. Okay, so here this is m square, but from the relativistic mass, that is m is equals to m naught by square root of 1 minus v square by c square. That we can write as squaring on both sides. M square is equals to m naught square, and this is 1 minus v square by c square. So this is m square is equals to m naught square c square. After LCM, this is c square minus v square. So this is the m square value. Just write down here this m square value, that is m naught square c square by c square minus v square into c square minus v square equal to minus 2h square mu dash plus m naught square c power 4 plus 2h into mu dash into m naught c square plus 2h square mu dash cos theta. Clear? So this and this gets cancelled, numerator denominator. M naught square c square and c square, nothing but c power 4. M naught square c power 4, m naught square c power 4 gets cancelled. Here there is a 1. So 1 equal to minus 2h square mu dash, or otherwise we can write it as this term I am bringing this side. Okay, this term, that is 2h square mu dash equal to 2h into mu dash into m naught c square plus 2h square. Okay, this is mu dash cos theta. Clear? This one. Okay, after getting 1 here, this I am bringing this side, 2h square mu dash equal to, and this term I have written here and this term I have written here. Right. So here what can be written? So here this is h is common here, because here there is a h and here there is a h. So this, okay, we can take it as this is 2h. Yes, this is 2h only. Okay, and this is 2h. Okay, so equation 7, that is 2h only. Yes, this is 2h. Now from that we can write it as, okay, yes, and this term almost same, so that we can write it as, I am bringing this term this side, that is 2h square mu dash minus 2h square mu dash cos theta is equals to 2h into mu minus mu dash into m naught c square. Clear? So here what is common? So that is 2h square is common. Okay, 2h square we can take it as 2h square mu dash also common. Here there is 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2h into mu minus mu dash into m naught c square. Okay, and this 2 gets cancelled here, and this square h is cancelled. Okay, and this we can write as, okay, and this term I am bringing this side, this term, that is h mu dash into 1 minus cos theta by m naught c square is equals to what? Mu minus mu dash. Okay, so next this whatever the mu dash is there, that I am bringing this side. So here I am writing here h by m naught c square into 1 minus cos theta is equals to, okay, this term is comes in the denominator, mu dash, this one divided by mu into, this is mu minus mu dash, this is mu into mu dash. Okay, let it be like this. So next we can write it as, listen to me, so this is the term, yes. So here we know that lambda is inversely proportional to mu. So that is lambda is equals to 1 by mu. If it is 1 by mu, and lambda dash is equals to 1 by mu dash. Okay. Okay, this is according to wavelength and frequency relation. We can write this. This is after removal of proportional, we will get constant, that is 1. So this is, we have values. So next if we go through this, okay, that is h by m naught c square into 1 minus cos theta is equals to, so this separately we have to write here. Okay, write down separately. We will get, this is mu by mu dash minus mu dash by mu dash. Okay, so this one gets cancelled, this one gets cancelled, 1 by mu dash minus 1 by mu. Okay, this is dash. So 1 by mu dash nothing but what? Lambda dash, minus 1 by mu nothing but lambda. So this is h by m naught c square into 1 minus cos theta. So this is what? Delta lambda is equals to lambda dash minus lambda. So from that we can write it as, okay, delta lambda is equals to h by m naught c square into 1 minus cos theta. So this is the expression for Compton shift. What is the Compton shift? Delta lambda is equals to lambda dash minus lambda. There is a change of a difference of wavelength after scattering to the wavelength before scattering of the photon. So this is known as the Compton shift. Okay, thank you. Next class let us see, okay, another topic from the Applied Physics BTech first year. Thank you.